Songwriting and musical composition are the perfect vehicles to teach musical concepts to kids because they take ownership of the concepts much more when you're using their ideas. There's kind of magic when you collaborate to compose music using their ideas. Doing a residency for the special education population was a great opportunity to combine teaching about Indian music and rhythm with having the kids write songs. Each class worked with their own raga and wrote a song within that raga. The two younger classes chose friendship as a theme, and the older class chose perseverance as a theme. Together, we wrote song choruses and verses, and then each kid wrote their own spoken word passage that related to the theme of the song. Mir Nakabul, a fantastic tabla player from Bangladesh, joined us the last 5 classes to work on drumming with the kids. We combined all of these elements to come up with one big arrangement for each song, which we performed on the final day of the residency.